Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we went to Lemonade Days at Brook Park. It is a small fair with lot of fun activities and also lot of rides for kids and family. It is conducted by the Dunwoody Preservation Trust. Every year it is conducted in this same park only. We go to this park daily for trail walk. We just finished our trail walk and just having a overview of the full fair. As this park is located next to the middle school, my kids went from school itself. We came for walking and just having look at how the fair is this year after pandemic. There are a lot of fun rides and fun activities for kids. Do sure check out. It is for full 5 days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, Sunday. Over the weekend it is going to be very crowded. So we chose to just have a look in the weekdays itself. There was no queue, there was no rush as it was weekday. In the weekend it's going to be really crowded, so you can plan accordingly. Just took few clips everywhere to show what all activities, what all rides available here and what all eateries are also available here for everyone to enjoy. Keep watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.